Welcome! In front of me I have Mibro Lite smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to change the vibration intensity on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, press the side button again to open the menu. Then scroll down and tap on the settings icon. In settings, find the option called vibration mode and tap on it. And here we can enable or disable the vibration by tapping on the switch. And right here we have a slider and we can adjust the intensity of vibration by swiping left and right on the slider. And once you're done, press the side button to go back like this. And that's how you adjust the vibration intensity on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.